Today we're diving into one of the biggest breakthroughs in open-source AI models of 2025, GLM 4.7. What is it? How well does it really perform? And how does it compare to models like GPT-5, Claude 4.5, and Gemini 3.0 Pro? Let's break it all down. GLM 4.7 is the latest generation of the General Language Model series from ZAI, released December 22, 2025. It's a large open-source AI model focused on coding, complex reasoning, and agent-style tool use, meaning it can work with tools, browse, and handle multi-step tasks. It has around 358 billion parameters and is designed to be both powerful and extensible. Unlike some closed models, like GPT-5, its weights are open source, so developers can run it locally or integrate it widely. It's positioned not just as a chatbot, but as a coding and agentic model that carries reasoning across multiple turns, something developers have wanted.
So if you're a developer, this model is designed to help you write, analyze, and fix code, and stick with you throughout a multi-step workflow.
Let's break down the key areas where GLM 4.7 shines. GLM 4.7 pushes open-source coding performance to new heights. It significantly improves real-world benchmarks like SWE Bench and terminal workflows. It also keeps thinking, reasoning across multiple steps, which means fewer dropped context in long coding sessions. Benchmarks show real jumps in complex reasoning and web tool interactions. For example, its result on the HLE benchmark more than doubled over GLM 4.6 when tool use is enabled. In agentic benchmarks like BrowseComp and T2 Bench, it matches or nears the performance of closed models. Generates cleaner UI code, slides, web pages, and structured content with better aesthetics, something that models often struggle with out of the box.
What doesn't show up on raw scores? The practical experience, how it manages conversation flow, design tasks, and real developer workflows.
Okay, now the big comparison. GLM 4.7's big advantage is its open-source nature, meaning anyone can use or fine-tune it without enterprise API costs. On coding and reasoning benchmarks, GLM 4.7 can approach the performance of models like GPT-5 High, GPT 5.1 High on certain tasks, especially with tools enabled. However, GPT 5.1 often retains a performance edge in pure reasoning and reasoning speed on hard academic tasks. Claude is still competitive, especially in creative and reasoning tasks, but GLM 4.7 closes the gap, especially for developers needing coding workflows. Gemini models from Google hold strengths in broad knowledge and reasoning, but GLM 4.7 competes closely, especially when tailored for coding.
Here's the real kicker. It's not just theory. You can already put this into production workflows. So is GLM 4.7 the best AI model ever? Maybe not on every metric, but as an open source contender, it's one of the most exciting developments of the year. Whether you're a coder, creator, or AI enthusiast, this one's worth watching. Comment below. What AI model are you testing? GPT-5? Claude? GLM 4.7? Smash like if you learned something, and hit subscribe for more AI breakdowns every week.